can just open this, yeah, because maybe we need it, but it will cancel directly. Because S is S divided by N factorial K. This is also N factorial K, so it will be cancelled. Okay, I want you to check in which, how can we check our iteration is correct or not? You can do this, check the first two iteration. Check the first two iteration manually. If it is correct, like I mean, if the function is correct already, then check the 0.43, 0.483, 0.566. This 7. Yeah, different here, yeah. That's why we have different calculation. I have they have minus 0.4837, 0.837, that's it. And then here is minus 0.873. 10.73. That's all that. H is 0.3, right? H is 0.3. Then where is the incorrect calculation? Check the as. Is it as I do it like this? Because if decimal places is correct, but it should be same until the last. H to the power of k factorial times h to the power of k. Look the same as mine? You got this, 0.78. You write the same word, then you will write the same answer. The first value we call from our matrix is this. That's correct, right? That this value. Okay. And after that, we call minus 0. Yeah, we which is correct. We have no problem with that until 0.0018. Or maybe you can try to calculate this and use this exact value that they got it here. Maybe they calculate using this value like this, but here they calculate it using the exact value. Longer decimal. That's why we have different decimal. Okay. You can check first using your Excel, please, directly now, just to make sure. Input the exact same with given values here. Did you get this value 0.719646? Or in your Excel, what is your PF? PF is the whole one. You got the same with this? Because in Excel, when you calculate it in Excel, you will have the same result as this one, like the matrix. The matrix will be like this one. The matrix will be like this one. If you add more decimals, then you will have another decimals you write, just like what we call here. Like for example, F11 is this value. If you add the decimal again in Excel, did you get the same this value or not this value or not? If you add the decimals, tambah decimal in belakang. In Excel, in your Excel, 6 sorry, repeat it 6. 7, but 6 is repeated. Okay. Then use your Excel. Because in Excel you'll use this value, right, in your calculation. Did you get the same with this? Or same with the book? Same with the book in Excel. Start from 1 to n plus 1. Yeah, no problem. H to the power of k, right? To the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of 3, to the power of 4, and so on. And then F00. F00 is 0.76, right? different decimal. They have error here. Yeah. And also for the second one is 1/3 times 0.1. Here is 0.3 square, right? 0.3 square times 1/3 times 1/3 minus 1, right? It is minus 0.02, and here it is same. 0.01. Here is 0.0134. Here we have the calculation with the same value. Okay, this one is correct already, I think, but I'll check later how to get the same rounded with the actual, because there is an error here, right? There is an error, very small error, because it should be 0.01, but it's here is 0. It should be 0.1, but here is 0.099999, and also here, all with repeated this. It is 0.01 only, but here is 0.0133. I'll check which function give us error calculation. This one is should be 0.01, right? This one is correct. This one exactly same with the Excel calculation. This one is, we have an error, and yeah, in these two calculation only, this one and this one, because we have repeated part of it. Okay, so once again, this process is correct. This process is correct already, even though I open this factorial, we get the same thing. Okay. So we'll have this result using Python. 3 decimal places is the same. The next decimal different because of this calculation. Some calculation in Python has an error calculation. Even though it's very small number, but I'll check later how to have the values, the original values, just like 0.1, 0.01, and here is 0. Okay. I have to leave class now. Please try to make a backward. Okay. Make a backward, and then you can collect. You can answer it with your sign. 2 minimum for maximum. And one of you, Adele, please collect your file into one drive and send me the link. Okay? Okay, because this is the last for dividend difference, so please send me your Excel file and your Python files, each group. Okay, so I can compare it. If in case you cannot, if in case you get an error just like this in backward, no problem. Okay. Also, let's say you try to make a backward, but the error is too high. Maybe there's a miss in your formulations there. There's also, okay, just collect it. Okay, I just want to see the